Hey yo everybody, got a new video for you today. We're working on a 2014-2019 Chevy Impala. For this job, my dad charged $450 for a few hours of work. Easy money, baby. We're going to show you how you can do it too. This is actually priced pretty low, so you can probably charge more, but my dad is old school, so we need to up those prices soon. This is the old bumper. You can see it pretty trashed, got some tape holding it up, the classic. Okay, let's get started. This is what it looks like with the bumper off. Take all the screws off, they are Allen screws. And now, here is the installation part of a new, sprayed and primed bumper. We took the old chrome and grill off and put it on the new bumper. The new bumper my dad already primed and sprayed the day before. It only took about an hour. Then, after you get it off, you need to take the grill and clips off. You can see the clips here. After that, you want to put the bumper on. It helps if you two people make sure it's aligned. Put one screw or two just to hold it while you align it up. There is a pane of screw on the right and left sides. You need an extension. You can see it here. It's difficult to get to. Then after that, screw the remaining Allen screw.
Hold on, let me see.
Then there is a little screw right here. I don't know if you can see it very well. Then you want to put the cover over it. Like this, it should fit in place easily. Now we have to put the clips on. This is the funniest part. There's like 12 clips.
This is my favorite part. Putting the post back in. Closing it back up and being like, okay, done.
Now we have the last part. Underneath, there's a few screws. The first one is here. Then we have to plug this cable in. And we want to clip this cable in and tuck it up in there so it doesn't drag. Then screw this last piece of plastic in. And there we have it. This is the finished product. Why work for peanuts when you can make big money working for yourself? If you like this, please like and subscribe. Leave comments in what you would like to see next. We get all sorts of cars in, all the way from 1952, full restoration convertible Corvettes, to Honda Priuses. We can do it all.